What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the first episode of the funded 50K account. We're currently in some NASDAQ buys. I did end up taking a position on gold and it quickly hit my stop loss, but it was only for $134. So it wasn't a big hit. This one could be a big hit, $345 risk on this one. So all in all, I'll probably be down about 1% on the account if stop loss gets hit. But we can see that NASDAQ kind of broke below. I actually wanted to take NASDAQ over here with this break of the 13 to wherever the highs would have gone, but it just like I didn't want to buy because this was the 930 candle and I wanted to kind of give price some time, some breathing room, and we're getting our second opportunity here with this break of the candle, and I'm hoping to God that we bounce off of this 13 and we flip and we go to the upside. This is the trade currently that we are in. Let's see what happens. I think stop loss might get hit here. Well, this is unfortunate. We close nicely bullish too. Yep, well, there we go. Stop loss got hit. We'll wait for another opportunity to present itself. Hopefully this is just a fake out to the downside so we can get the continuation to the upside. So if nothing else shows, I'll probably just call it a day, but I'll bring you guys back. All right, I'm back in this position here. Looks like it was just sort of a fake out to the downside. Potentially, risking around the same amount, $370. I'm hoping that we can get a break above this. I think this is a 200 or a 50. Oh, the yellow one's the VWAP. Come on, NASDAQ. To the upside we go. You know what? I'm going to bring you guys back when something does happen. Yeah, I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys. Account temporarily deactivated. So I hit my... Well, that's just a notification for NASDAQ stop loss. I have a $750 daily loss limit, and once that gets activated, they will block my account. So this is one of the great features that TOPSTEP have. So my Express account has temporarily been deactivated because my protected daily loss limit has been hit. Because of that, they deactivated my account. Honestly, I was kind of hoping NASDAQ would, give a little bit of a pump, come up, break these highs, continue to move to the upside, but it just looks like it might be ranging between these highs over here, something like this. Whatever, I don't want to be caught up in the choppiness of it. I'm pretty happy that my PDLL is set to 750 and that it stopped me out and blocked me so that we are unable to trade. So far, starting off the week, not too good. We're literally I think there's a 4% overall loss limit to 2000, and we're so close to already hitting 2% stop loss. So we have to be very slow for the next ones. It is what it is. I mean, if I lose this account, I will try and pass another one as quickly as possible by putting more risk into it, trying to hit the take profit level so that we don't have to spend another 4 weeks trying to pass another challenge. Starting off the week pretty weak. So I will see you guys all Tuesday. Take care. What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Tuesday. I think this is the second day of the funded account. I'm currently in NASDAQ trades off the 1 minute, breaking this 13. We broke it over here. We had a little bit of a pullback and I didn't want to get in. And I saw this break right over here with this candle. I'm like, you know what? Let me take in a position. We're risking around $155 on this trade. However, if I do see a little bit of a bounce up to around here, I will be adding one more contract to the position size. We're just gonna wait until the trade either hits stop loss or take profit. So I will bring you guys back when something does happen. All right, guys, I think I'm going to exit my position pretty soon here. We get another push in or no? There we go. A little bit of a push down to the downside. I'm out. That's about it. I was kind of already looking to get out around down here. Gave a little bit of a push to the downside and we secured a bit more profit. Still, overall, we're down $121 from yesterday's trade, but I'm pretty happy because we're now close to that break-even level again. So it gives me a sort of second chance to take it slow and just make a couple $100s per day. I think that's where I really need to kind of put my mindset towards. This looks like it's gonna go down to these lows here. But yeah, yesterday I kind of went in a bit over risking by hitting my protected daily loss limit. Like, I should probably change this, which I'll bring you guys to. to about like $500 maybe. So if I lose 1%, you can liquidate and block me. Yeah, $500. Because I don't want to lose this challenge account. I've passed so many 50k accounts and I've blown it within the first or second day because I just over trade and over leverage. So I'm really happy about this trade. I'm really happy that we're close to break even again, so that I get that second chance, like I said, to take it slow and be able to just earn a couple $100 per day and stack that up over time. Just stack it up, stack it up, stack it up, so that I'm able to pull out a big chunk of money. But yeah, that is the trade for today. It looks like we're heading down to these lows, like I said. I will see you guys all Thursday because I don't trade Wednesdays. So I'll see you guys. Bye-bye. What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Thursday of the funded account series. We're in some NASDAQ buys going off of the 13 EMA break, bouncing off of this VWAP over here. We're just going to see what happens. The setup has always been the same. The trade plan has always been the same. So we'll just see if this hits TP or stop loss. Now this is 9:15, so we got another like 14 minutes till market opens. And I have held like through market open, but at the same time, I'm hoping it just doesn't go straight to stop loss and then goes to TP right after. But we'll see what happens. I will bring you guys back with anything that goes on. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, price is looking like we might hit TP here. If not, I'm gonna manually close. I'm out. Yeah, I'll secure whatever it is. 834 bucks, I'll take it. An extra $200, what am I gonna do? Risk an entire trade for an extra 200 bucks? This could still like go up to my TP level up here. I've also seen it where it's close to that 930 mark and it could flip bearish and just continue going down. So I'd rather secure my money and run to the hills. And you know what I'm going to do next? I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click all day and lock me out. So basically now I cannot trade all day. No matter what happens, the system won't allow me to trade. And that's basically it. That is Thursday. See, something like this would have happened. Even though this could just be a pullback to this 13 and then a bounce off to the upside, I would much rather be safe and take my win up here and not try to squeeze an extra 200 bucks. We're all good. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye. What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Friday. We're in some gold sells currently, breaking this 13 EMA. Now, it did kind of do a little bit of a fake out here where it broke and then it pushed on up, but I feel like it just went up to take out some liquidity points up here. And since we've done that and we got the flip here, I decided to take a chance on these sells. It doesn't look like it's heading in the right direction, but yeah, that's basically the trade right now. NQ, there was a nice buying opportunity, however I did not end up taking it. I think it was like, yeah, 927, this candle right here, because it was 3 minutes till market open, and I'm like, I don't know if this thing's gonna continue pushing on up, but I would have entered the trade here, and yeah, well, we can see what market open would have done. And then I was looking at sells. This is just a huge red candle that I didn't want to get in on, so I didn't take it. And I was just waiting for another setup to occur, and that's where gold came in. And we're just looking for a straight 1-to-1, 1-to-2, around 500 bucks, around 600 bucks, something light. But yeah, that's basically the trade. I will bring you guys back when something happens. All right, guys, update to the trade currently. I exited my position on gold and decided to enter on this NQ buy opportunity here. I just saw it really quickly. I'm like, I'm exiting my NQ position for this opportunity over here. If we take a look at gold, gold is heading towards my TP. However, it did a little bit of a bounce and tried to break this 13. I'm like, I'm out, because as soon as that happened, I saw NQ form a nice little 1 minute break of the 13, and that's where I'm currently at right now. I hope it was a good decision. We'll see what happens. I'm actually going to move my stops like right up here, so they're super tight. Like, I don't want to lose any money. If we like somehow come up to this high again, we're gonna be banging. This would be freaking awesome if we're able to do that. Okay, I bring back when TP or a break even gets hit. All right, guys, we're struggling a bit here. I might end up manually closing my position soon. That is a hard hit right there. I should have closed up here. The reason why I moved my stops up here is because I need to get the $200 winning days. non-consecutive winning days to get a payout. So if anything, I will hit that at least. Oh, this is a fabulous sign. Can we flip? If we flip, we're breaking this high. Yep, we broke that high. Okay, can we get a little bit of a push now or no? Give me another flip and I'm out. I was hoping for a flip bullish to continue to move to the upside. Okay, I'm out. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Oh, well, there it goes, breaking the highs. I saw it bounce around and I'm like, I'm not letting that thing slide on back down. No way in hell. I'm taking my $700 and I'm running to the hills. Let me lock this myself so nothing happens. That okay, well, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna be honest, I was trying to wait to see if this candle would flip bullish and close bullish with a bullish hammer, break this high, because then the next candle would just fly on up. I just saw it bouncing and I'm like, I would much rather secure this win than try to secure a bit of extra money, and it looks like this candle is doing it, and I completely missed out. But you know what, it hurts me a little bit on the inside, but I'm happy that I got out, and I'm happy we ended the week on a green, and a pretty strong one as well. We're up $1,400 as you can see on the funded account. I think I still need 3 more days of the $200 plus, and we will be able to request a payout. So I will see you guys all next week. Take care. Goodbye.